A couple of years ago I noticed something funny about my weight that maybe you've noticed too about yours. Sometimes, when you increase your activity, you either A. Don't lose any weight, or B. Gain more weight. Has that ever happened to you? Well, I started experimenting with some things and I stumbled upon a new way to not only burn off excess stomach, hip, butt, and chest fat, it also speeds up your metabolism, keeps your metabolism from crashing, helps you stop obsessing about eating and dieting. I hate doing this. And some other cool things that most people tend to struggle with when it comes to losing weight. Here's the deal. You intuitively know that you want to lose weight faster, rather than slower, right? Of course you do. That's why rapid fat loss programs, challenges, and detoxes are so popular. The problem, of course, is most of them don't work in the long run, something I've figured out with this new method. And of course, the experts warn you against this. You should only lose weight slowly, 1 to 2 pounds a week, right? Well, what if they're wrong? Here, look at this. At the 11th International Congress of Obesity, Katrina Purcell led a research team from the University of Melbourne, Australia, and compared two diets, a rapid one and a traditional one. The rapid diet participants lost on average 3 pounds a week for 12 weeks, 36 pounds, versus the traditional group, who lost 1 pound a week for 12 weeks, 12 pounds. The results? 78% of those on the rapid fat loss plan achieved their goal of losing 15% of their body weight. Less than half of those, only 48%, on the traditional plan achieved their goal. 2. Researchers also found that losing weight quickly improves motivation, and helps you stick to your diet and therefore reach your goals. Shocking, I know. But it gets better. In another rapid weight loss study from the University of Melbourne, 81% of those on the rapid fat loss plan lost 12.5% or more of their body weight, compared to only 50% on the gradual diet. In other words, the overwhelming majority of those on the rapid plan not only lost the weight, they lost a lot of weight, 12.5% of their body weight or more. Imagine that for a minute. If you were 200 pounds, that means you could lose 25 pounds or more on the right rapid fat loss plan. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. And you'd have an 80% or better chance of actually achieving those results. And if that's not good enough, the research team that concluded that rapid diets produces faster results, easier to stick to, which, back to that motivation thing, encouraged him to exercise more. Hormone changes made him feel less hungry than the people on the gradual diet, probably cheaper. Katrina Purcell, lead author on the study, went on to say, across the world, guidelines recommend gradual weight loss for the treatment of obesity, reflecting the widely held belief that fast weight loss is more quickly regained. However, our results show that achieving a weight loss target of 12.5% is more likely, and dropout is lower, if losing weight is done quickly. Emphasis mine. Furthermore, from ScienceDaily.com, 3, writing in a linked comment, Dr. Corby Martin and Professor Kishore Gad from Pennington Biomedical Research Center, Baton Rouge, USA say, the study indicates that for weight loss, a slow and steady approach does not win the race, and the myth that rapid weight loss is associated with rapid weight regain is no more true than Aesop's fable. Clinicians should bear in mind that different weight loss approaches might be suitable for different patients in the management of clinical obesity, and that efforts to curb the speed of initial weight loss might hinder their ultimate weight loss success. Emphasis mine. What? See? The traditional experts are wrong. Custom JavaScript, HTML. So what's the takeaway here? How does this affect you today, right now? Here's what you may need time to process. 1. The reason you want to lose weight quickly, 3 pounds or more a week, rather than slowly 1 to 1.5 pounds per week, like the experts pound into your head, is because you intuitively know it's better than slow weight loss. 2. You have a 30% better chance of achieving your weight loss goals if you use a rapid fat loss approach than if you use a traditional dieting approach, especially if that weight loss is greater than 10% of your current body weight. 3. According to the research, rapid fat loss programs offer you even more benefits: easier to stick to your diet. Faster results increase your motivation. Easier to exercise. Experience less hunger. Save money on groceries. Isn't that great news? So what do you do now? Go out and get on the latest, greatest, rapid fat loss diet. Not so fast. The bad news. In follow-up studies, Purcell and her team concluded that the majority of rapid dieters still put the weight back on once they stopped dieting. 4. The silver lining here is that the experts say that the faster you lose weight, the faster you put it back on. Purcell and her team concluded that's not true. So the key here is to not put that fat back on. Obviously, I know. But just how do you do that? How do you lose fat quickly and maintain your new weight, your new body? The odds are against you if you don't have a proven plan for doing this, if you revert right back to your old ways of eating, drinking, living, like most people do, and you may have done in the past. You need a proven strategy to do this. Fortunately, this very specific strategy is part of this new plan I've discovered. Let's talk more about that next, shall we? A brand new, and easier, way to burn off unwanted stomach fat? If you're a man or woman over 40 and have been struggling to lose 10, 20, 30 or even 50 pounds or more, then I have some good news for you. If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.